Hello and welcome to the Pedro Show. I'm Pedro. Today we have Matt Salmons and Chris Hakes.
Stop talking so loud. Shit, we're in a library.
Okay, Chris. How are you doing today?
Hoop-de-dam-do.
Hoop-de-dandy? Alright.
I said hoop-de-dam-do.
If you were any
out of context.
If you were any sports star, what would it be?
Barry Bonds.
Barry Bonds. Why is that?
Because he's awesome. And I like to do steroids.
Why do women shave their armpits and men don't?
Men do. I do.
Okay.
No, I'm just lying. Take everything I say with a grain of salt. Then hit me in the face.
What was your favorite toy as a child?
Toy as a child? I was never a child. I came out this size.
Alright, if you were stuck on a desert island, which 5 books, movies, would you choose?
How to Build a Satellite Phone from Coconuts.
I see.
I don't know. Skip that question.
Alright, that question does suck.
That pissed me off.
Yeah, scratch it. Yes, what was the most embarrassing moment that ever happened to you?
Fairmont. When it was snowing, I slipped on the ice 4 times in one day. And once during a class change.
Were people watching you?
It was during a class change, so everybody was outside. It was in the commons.
Matt seems to say this show.
Yeah.
Alright, if Abe Lincoln and George Washington got into a fight, who would win?
George Washington will whoop his crack ass. That doesn't make any sense. If they got into a fight, they wouldn't have sex.
Makeup sex.
Alright.
Matt, you go. Stop touching my leg.
Anything else you want to add, Chris?
Get your hands
Chris
out of my
works.
pants.
No, hands in this pen.
That's what
Pen
you
is not to scale.
My other hand is right here, see?
My
So
hand
it's
is
nowhere
going
near.
under.
What about your third hand, Peter?
Here's my hand. And watch where it's going.
It's inserting there. Alright. Anyway,
Matt's pen.
now, of course, he likes racquetball. Chris is good at racquetball, right?
No. Yes.
Okay. Your statement is, ah!
With a bow door. I'm shaking the camera.
You know you can make yourself into a different voice in here.
Why haven't we been doing that?
You can make yourself have a robot voice, an old man's voice.
Yeah.
I want to be old man, robot man.
Which one? Alright.
Both.
Yes. I want something to drink. Hello. I need something too. I need a whiz. I'll be back. I need food. Need to write stuff down. Alright, it's on now. The strange accent over. It is? Yep. So say some mumbo jumbo and some mumbo jumbo. The Pedro Show is brought to you by Pants Shoes. Oh. Yeah, that one's easy. Oh my god. Honey, I need new pants. Bring me my brown pants. That way I can't tell. I'll see you later. I never had a beach on the toilet. Clock, clock, fizz, fizz. I'm gonna really fizz. Okay, stop stressing. I am old. I can run.
Hello. Hi. Miss, would you like to distribute anything?
I said go. There's a caravan. What this is the interview that Peter's doing. Oh. Is it? Or I don't know. How you can start over? Alright. I don't have to know what we're doing.
And of course, Chris, what is your major today?
Today.
Okay, this year, or whatever the hell it is.
Whoop-assology. And Big Bob Bojangles.
Do you have laryngitis?
What?
I mean, why are those words on that paper?
Oh.
Like, why are you so gay?
Wasting paper. Use it for next time.
Cue cards. Balls. Just kidding.
Okay,
It
Chris.
never gets old.
Chris, if
I'm leaving.
I don't blame you.
I'd leave too if I had somewhere to go. Okay, start over.
all right.
It was over before.
Thank you for being on here. And Matt,
Stop raping me.
yeah, stop raping.
Are you on camera?
I don't even know. Oh, there he is. All right. Yes. Look
Wait.
at